Green drink.
Whoa, did you just start it?
Yeah.
But I wasn't ready.
That's the best part.
That's the whole point. Hey guys, welcome to Green Juice. I'm drinking last night's coffee.
Are we agreeing we're gonna do that thing that you said because no one was gonna watch a green juice video?
Okay, so I think I gotta amp this up a bit because it's green juice and people are like, oh, gross. So, okay. What are you doing?
Taking away the bit of just fucking green juice.
You're interfering with my fucking green juice. Get your fucking cucumber. I'm used to making this in like a big Blendtec blender and like putting it in mason jars. I don't know why this is putting it in mason jars, but it is. But today I'm gonna make a little bit in this because I know it's gonna make Zeos gag.
Gig.
Gag?
Gag.
He makes fun of how I say gag and bag. Do I say it wrong?
Bag. Well, it's the weirdest thing. I'll tell the viewers at home because the word bagel, if you just said the first half of that word, bag is bagel, which is how you pronounce bagel, and then bag would be bagel. What do you say?
Bagel.
She says bagel, and when she should say bagel, but then we say bag when we should say bag. So it's make up your fucking mind how to fucking pronounce the letters B-A-G.
I stopped listening to him like 30 seconds ago. Okay, so.
You're not pumping this up enough. Pump it up harder.
You need some fucking baby spinach and kale. Hi, Mom and Dad. Fun fact, my mom has just subscribed to this channel, so that's... Hi, Mom.
How you doing?
I think that should be good. I leave the skin on everything.
Ew.
Because nutrients.
Right-hand turn, you have a visitor.
She meeped at me. Is that enough cucumber? I guess. I usually like to put more. Like, I want more. Give me more. That's fine. Okay, so that's done. Put that back. I don't usually, a few times I put pineapple in it, but I know because Zeos is going to be trying it, and I'm going to have to add some sweet. I'm going to put some pineapple, maybe just a chunk. God forbid anything tastes like a vegetable. How do I open this? I have gone retarded. What is this packaging even? Please let me in. What the hell? There we go. I'm just a girl. That's it. That's all he gets. It's one little bloop. Because we still need to fit the apple in there. What is wrong with this?
Not my fault.
The fucking apple's going in next.
Fucking apple.
The fucking apple. Again, I'm using this little paring knife. Because I'm afraid of big knives. Leaving the skin on. We're running out of room. Where do I put my celery? Celery is very good. There's like this whole trend right now with celery like detox. Like just pure celery juice. Which is probably fucking gross. I have a bunny at home. So this is killing me throwing this out right now. Why is my throat? Watch me handle a knife poorly on this episode of P-Cooks. Oh, we're gonna need more than that, baby. So the lemon takes away the earthy flavor of the spinach, which is just a nice way of saying it won't taste like dirt if you, oh fuck, I didn't wash that and this is America and that's not organic. I use dirty celery. My bad. At home, everything's washed. Like, you don't have to wash your celery, but there's like clearly dirt on this. It's organic. Look, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger, right? I'm building your immune system. It's fine.
I've already got that built.
I'm helping.
I'm helping.
I'm just squishing this in here now. Just squishing. And now here's the fun part. So where you'll find if you have any cuts on your fingers, which I do on my thumb, and it burns. Oh, it burns. Sometimes when I'm feeling like really risky, like super like living life on the edge, I'll take some of the skin and like put it in. But I won't do that today. We're just gonna keep this simple. Do you think that's enough lemon juice? Okay, I guess so. So now you'll put cold water, and also at home I'll use some ice cubes, but I don't think the magic bullet can take ice cubes. I just eye it. I don't know. I don't know what I'm actually doing here. Shocking. Coffee. Last night's coffee. Don't worry, I put it in the fridge. I didn't put it in the fridge. Zeus. More foul language?
Yes.
Drinking my fucking coffee! He tried to convince me to like moan every time I put food in the blender. I'm not gonna do that. He's like, more people will watch it.
Describe sex acts.
Describe sex acts. I don't want to. Okay. Here goes nothing. Magic bullet, please. Okay. It's going. Oh. I am impressed. I might be able to do an ice cube. Is it supposed to smell like burning? The manual says not to press it for, I think, close to a minute. You're supposed to like press it like, oh, that's why I'm being annoying, and like, otherwise I would have just hammered. Hammer! And because I kept all the skin, like I'm gonna blend the shit out of it. I should have added more celery. It's like... Do you have any straws?
I should, yes.
Because you're going to want to use a straw. Pro tip when drinking this, use a straw and close your eyes because the green really throws people off. I see like a little bit of chunkies, but I think that's the technical term is chunkies.
35 emails. Finished.
35?
35.
Not bad. Oh yeah, baby!
I'll just pretend it's pesto. I'm Italian, so... If it's
Give me a straw.
Drawer behind you with the forks and spoons and knives on the right-hand side, like sticking out. Ooh, there's a big one right there.
Oh, I don't like big straws.
Oh.
Do you want to use the big straw?
Ooh. I don't know. I'll use whatever straw you're using.
I'm so excited! I've been eating nothing but gluten and dairy and sugar.
Look at the wall of food and point at it.
Sugar! Pizza! Fucking... This is a very long straw.
You're welcome.
I'm so excited!
You almost knocked it over with your fist.
I'm so
Then you
happy.
would have added more foxes.
Okay. Like when I'm at home, I use like half an apple and like I use a lot, so I don't know if I did the ratio right. Stop talking.
Should have added salt. Did you put the entire piece of lemon in there? With the everything?
No, you squish it.
Okay.
Ooh. That's good. It needs ice or else you won't drink it. You won't like it warm. It's warm. Even though I use cold water, I guess it like mixing all around in there.
Yep. Well, you have the blender that's supposed to make soup by just using a blender, so.
Yeah, it gets real hot. I'm gonna put some ice in there. He's gonna gag. This is gonna be awesome.
Gig.
He's gonna gag.
4 pieces? You keep adding ice like that's gonna fix whatever.
Oh, I like it ice cold. Like my water, I want it so cold that it like hurts to drink.
Negative. Negativo.
Negatory? Ah, I'm gonna eat that Elio's pizza. Okay, hold on.
She needs to have this green juice because I'm about to put a heart in her pizza.
So exciting! Mmm. Mm-hmm.
Alright, are we sharing this one or are you making your own?
Mmm. Mmm.
I mean, if I was making green drink,
It's really good.
it'd be just pesto with macaroni.
It's thick like a smoothie, but there are no chunks. Like it's... You got... I really want to get your reaction. Can we get nice and close?
Alright.
Take a big swig.
Alright, here we go.
What do you think?
You know what it needs?
What?
A little bit of tomato
Tomato?
and some salt.
No.
Then it would be V8.
No.
I love V8.
It's good, right?
It's not. I could drink this.
You can't taste like the kale or the spinach.
It's not thick enough.
You want it thicker?
Thicker.
No, I like it like this. This is
Thicker.
great.
No, that's too liquidy.
Too liquidy.
I want to suck it through that straw. I want to I want to have a hard time.
Mmm.
A little bit like tomato paste, like a tomato. You basically put a tomato in there. No, I'm Italian.
That's weird. You don't put tomato in green juice.
Some basil. You don't tell me what I will and will not put in my body.
Thanks for watching my fucking green juice video, you guys. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, and subscribe.
I would add a pinch of salt, some tomato, pinch of salt.
And put it on pasta.
Basically, as long as I can cover the pasta. Oh, I'm gonna put it on pasta.
No, it's delicious. It's a good
No, I'm gonna put it on.
consistency. And then I like how the pulp kind of rises, so you can like
Get past it.
Okay, I'm turning the camera off. Bye.
Bye.